Finty is web-based. Therefore, you can issue sales and purchase invoices effortlessly on your phone or laptop from anywhere using an internet connection. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process. But first, let's take a step back. If this is your first time trying to issue an invoice, there are a few things you need to do beforehand. Go to the Settings menu and create product groups and subgroups. Next, go to the Product service within the Warehouse and Goods menu to add the products you have in your inventory. Keep in mind that this service is only for listing the things you sell, and you can't sell anything directly from this list. I'll show this in the following. Now, let's record a sales invoice for an item or service you sold or provided to your customer. Simply click the New button. Search for your customer's name on the list and select it. If the customer isn't listed yet, use the Add button to quickly add them in Finty. This adds the person both to the invoice and the Users service in the Users menu. Think of this option as a shortcut to the Users service. For better organization, you can add invoice details in the description section. Next, click on Products or Services to add them to the invoice. From here, select the sold item or items from the list. These are the products you've already added in the Products service. If you can't find the item on the list, you don't have to close this window to add the product. You can simply use the Add button to add it instantly. This will add the item to both the invoice and your product service, which I showed earlier. While the gray fields aren't editable, you can modify the other sections. When you sign up for Finty, our support team sets up all the initial data related to your business. This includes relevant products, brands, and even service categories to save you time. Later, you can edit or add to this information as needed. You can also configure your tax types in the Settings menu based on your country's tax system. Just add all the applicable tax types and use them in your invoices. The Services section works the same way. You can view a list of services, select one, or create a new service. Enter the price, quantity, and discount, or leave it as it is if you didn't give any discount. You can also assign the technician performing the service. If the technician works on commission, Finty automatically calculates their profit percentage. You can select the tax type for the service and then save the invoice. Remember that the fields with red lines must be filled. Otherwise, you won't be able to save the document. After that, head over to the Finance section to record the payment. And just like that, issuing sales invoices for both products and services is super simple with Finty. When you're done, you can go to the invoice number column and click the exclamation mark icon if you want to print the sales invoice for your customer. There are two types of invoices you can print. Both include a QR code that your customer can scan to view the invoice online. Finally, you can include your shop's policies at the bottom of the invoice. To set these up, go to the Profile service in the Users menu. This lets you add any rules or policies you want your customers to be aware of, and they'll appear on all sales and repair invoices. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to ask them in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.